Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juli Zapata, but I usually go by Juli. Today I actually wanted to do my makeup a little bit differently than I've been doing. I'm sure you guys have seen the Foxy trend or look that's going on right now, where your eyes just kind of like go up, and you know, it's really cute. I'm sure you guys have seen it, kind of like Bella Hadid, Kendall Jenner style. The way that I'm gonna start this is with these. So they're basically like little strips, and it comes with a lot. This is just gonna help us create that like cat eye look. You know, you want your eyes to be like lifted up. That's kind of like the whole point of the whole look. And I'm gonna use my eyebrow and my nose as a reference, so I kind of wanted to just like go up like this. All right, I'm gonna start off with some concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. I'm just gonna set that in with some powder, and that's literally just the base for our look. And before I go in with the eyes, I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Eyebrows are also part of the look because we're creating that illusion of like, you know, like that lift. So you want to make sure your eyebrows are also doing that. So my eyebrows, you know, I have like that tail going on, so I really can't make them go straight up, but I did brush them up, and I'm not gonna fill them in too like precisely and like snatched like I usually would. I'm just gonna do a very light fill in, if that makes sense. Before quarantine, I definitely did more of like a snatched brow, but obviously like now I've just been tweezing them myself. So that's kind of it for the brows. I think they look pretty like okay. I wish they were more bushy, you know, but I don't know, they don't grow as long. They're all the brushes that I'm kind of going to be using. So I have just like a little fluffy one so we can blend with, smaller fluffy one, and then like some eyeliner brushes that are just gonna be like precise. But just grab like any little brushes that you have. So any palette will work that has like an orangey color. It could be lighter than this, it could be darker than this. Basically, I'm just gonna take that orange eyeshadow and I'm gonna start kind of drawing an eyeliner. Not too precise. I'm slowly going like further away from my lash line, and then with a fluffier brush with no product at all, I'm just really going to blend that all together. So now I'm going to go in with a brown. So I'm going to use this one right here. You can use any brown you would like. So I'm doing the same thing that I did with that first eyeshadow, except this one I'm being a lot more careful, a lot more precise. I really blended that brown out, and now I'm gonna go back in with that first color that I did, the orange color, and I'm just gonna like just make sure everything is very seamless and smoky. I feel like I've been bringing out the eyeshadow pretty far out. Gonna pretty much hit like right below my eyebrow, but obviously you could make it as dramatic or not as dramatic as you want. This is all about preference, I think.
Brand new and fresh this morning.
Listen, man.
Okay, and now I'm gonna go in with some, I don't know if I should do black or brown. I would probably usually go in with some like black eyeshadow and then some black eyeliner, but I thought today I want to keep it very like brown, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove these little babes, and that's kind of what we have going on. I feel like that was the messiest part, I guess, so I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my face makeup, and then we'll finish the eyes afterwards. Contigo todo sale mejor. I just did my face makeup and this is what it looks like. The reason that I used these little e.l.f. strips earlier is because I wanted them to give me that direction of where I wanted my eyeshadow to like go. And I'm gonna lightly blend it. I'm not gonna blend it out way too much, but I'm literally just gonna take it and just kind of get rid of that harsh line that we created. Again, nothing too crazy. Even if that line still shows up a little bit, it's not a big deal. We just don't want it as harsh. Now for the final step basically of the Foxy look is just the eyeliner. I'm gonna do brown eyeliner because I feel like this look is so like harsh. Not harsh, but like, I don't know, I feel like the brown adds a little bit, like brings back softness into the look. I always do my liner from the halfway point of my eyelid and then I do my wing, but today I'm gonna bring it all the way in and I'm gonna create kind of like a triangle in here. That was very challenging for me, I think, to do because of the eyeliner. It was very watery, so next time I do it, I definitely am going to do it with this eyeliner. This is my NYX matte liquid liner, so this one dries matte, and I don't know, I feel like it's a lot easier to work with. I was using like this old brown eyeliner, which it works fine and I use it sometimes, but I never do like this inner corner thing, so I think that that's why, like, I don't know, I don't like it that much. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then I'm gonna curl my lashes and see what it looks like. I'm like debating if I'm gonna upload this or not. No, just kidding, right? It looks cute. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Just kidding. I think once I finish my face makeup, everything will come together.
Listen, man.
This definitely looks a lot better once I like finish the rest of my face, which I'm really happy about. I feel like, oh my god, I forgot to turn off my music. But yeah, with the rest of my makeup, it definitely looks a lot better. I do my eyelashes. I'm a little nervous for this just because I have a feeling that I'm scared that it's going to transfer over here and I have to curl my lashes. Like, that's not a question. Okay, I'm going to try my best not to. I'm so scared. Oh my god, it didn't transfer. It didn't transfer. Thank god. Okay, cool. So I'm just gonna add black eyeliner on my waterline. Oh god, now I'm like tearing up. Great. Okay. Wow. Okay, this is really cute. Actually, I don't know why my eyes are so watery, but we're gonna try a TikTok trend. Is that, no. Are you supposed to be like crying for it to work? You know what? You guys know what I'm talking about? Like the girl puts on a thing right here. By the way, guys, I am going to be doing another video showing you guys like my makeup, like my everyday makeup, and showing you guys all the products that I've been using. I just didn't want to like make this video way too long and show you guys absolutely everything, but that video is coming very soon. This Max Stone, literally it's like a grayish brown color. I don't want it to be too harsh. This color is a little bit of like a, I don't know, it's like out of my comfort zone, so I don't want to like overdo it. A little bit of highlight on here. I'm not gonna fill them in or anything because I really like the way that like the natural color of my lips pops out, so I'm gonna leave that like that. But I did put on chapstick before that, so I really like to just use lip liner, but I have to use chapstick so it could all really like smoothen up and look good.